people are original. That is my perspective on the ideas of originality. I sort of think of it as the concept of scientific discovery versus artistic discovery. Scientific discovery, like take the iPhone for example. The iPhone is an improvement on other cell phones, because they added apps. Cell phone is an improvement on the landline telephone, so that people could move around and talk to people from wherever they happen to be, not just their houses or public call boxes. The telephone is an improvement on, like, letter writing, which is basically the only communication we had as of, like, the 1700s or 1800s. I think of science as something that any person could have discovered. I mean, it clearly takes a very intelligent, very talented, very skilled individual to discover those things. But they're not necessarily, in my opinion, original ideas. Because multiple people could have come to the same conclusion, given current scientific fact, if they had been given the same opportunities and lab workspace and had the same level of knowledge on the subject. Art, in my opinion, is the only thing fully capable of being original. Art is a product of human consciousness. It's someone who looks at something and then creates their own version of it. Or just basically pulls something out of nothing. Like, if you took a whole class worth of high school or college art students and told them to look at a tree and to paint or draw the tree, you would get 20-something different versions of the same tree. So even though they have the same point to work from, and they are given the same materials, no two of those trees are going to look exactly alike, because no two of those people are necessarily exactly alike each other. That's impossible. So I guess I think of originality as a product of human viewpoint, and our ability to look at the world and decide that we want to make something that represents how we feel about the world we live in, essentially. Science is something that people look at materials and they go, let's build something, let's make something, let's innovate and create a product that can improve quality of life. I think they're very different ideas, and while they both require intelligence and preparation and an amazing amount of skill, I believe that art is the only one that is truly original. So that's my perspective. I'm Maddie. See you guys next week.